Hello everyone, we are asked to find a given this exponential form of logarithmic equation. So we are given that 5 to the power of log a minus 2 or in base 5 plus 6 to the power of 2 log a to base 6 is equal to 10. Now, at this point, recall that from the power law of logarithm, that if I have n multiplied by log m in base a, this can be expressed as log m to the power of n or in base a. So we apply this rule here. So therefore, this becomes 5 to the power of log a minus 2 in base 5 plus 6 to the power of log a squared in base 6 equal to 10. But recall that if I have b to the power of log a to base b, this is equal to a. So at this point, we'll apply this rule here and also apply this rule here. So watch here, we have 5 and we have the base of 5. And here we have 6 and we have the base of 6. So therefore, the equation now will reduce to a minus 2 plus a squared equal to 10. So at this point, we can rearrange the equation and it becomes a squared plus a minus 2 minus 10 equal to 0. Thus, this becomes a squared plus a minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of a. Now in this video, to find the values of a, I'm going to use the factorization method. So I will look for two integers, their sum is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of a, and their product is equal to negative 12, which is a constant term. And the two integers are plus 4 and minus 3. So this is because 4 plus minus 3 is equal to 1, and also 4 times minus 3 is equal to minus 12. So therefore, the equation now becomes a squared plus 4a minus 3a minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize by grouping. So at this point, a is common, so we factor out a. We have a, open bracket, a plus 4. And also at this point, 3 is common, so we have negative 3, open bracket, a plus 4 equal to 0. So the expression at the left-hand side becomes a minus 3 multiplied by a plus 4 equal to 0. Now recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it follows that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that a minus 3 is equal to 0 or a plus 4 is equal to 0. First, a is equal to 3 or a is equal to negative 4. Now, let's check if our values are correct. So at this point, we will check for a equal to 3 and we check for a equal to negative 4. Now at this point, for a equals to 3, we have it that 5 to the power of log a minus 2 or in base 5 plus 6 to the power of log a squared in base 6 equal to 10. So we want to check if the expression at the left-hand side is equal to 10. So at this point, a is equal to 3. So we have that 5 to the power of log 3 minus 2 in base 5 plus 6 to the power of log 3 squared in base 6 equal to 10. So if you look at the left-hand side, when the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm match, they cancel out. So therefore, this becomes 3 minus 2. And also here, they will also cancel out. So this becomes plus 3 squared equal to 10. 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 3 squared is 9, equal to 10. So therefore, we have it that 10 is equal to 10. Thus, A is equal to 3. Also, let us check for A equal to negative 4. So recall that the equation given to us was 5 raised to the power of log A minus 2 in base 5 plus 6 to the power of log A squared in base 6 equal to 10. Now at this point, the value of A is negative 4. So we have it that 5 to the power of log negative 4 minus 2 in base 5 plus 6 to the power of log negative 4 all squared in base 6 equal to 10. So here, the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm matches, so they cancels out. So this becomes minus 4 minus 2 plus minus 4 all squared equal to 10. Now at this point, minus 4 minus 2 is giving us minus 6 plus minus 4 squared is giving us 16. This is equal to 10. Now, minus 6 plus 16 is 10. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So therefore, A is equal to negative 4. First, we have it that A is equal to 3 or A is equal to negative 4. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage this channel by liking this video and subscribing. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.